Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the Samsung washer water level pressure switch. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new water level pressure switch. The water level pressure switch controls how much water comes into the washer. The main reason to be changing it out is if it's failed and the washer is underfilling or overfilling. In order to get to the part, we have to go around back and take the top off the washer. We're going to use our Phillips screwdriver to take out the screws. Now that we have the screws out, we can pull the top off. All you have to do is grab onto the top on each side, pull it back so the lip releases from up front, and then you can lift the top off and set it aside. Now that we have the top off, we have access to the water level pressure switch. It's mounted on the control panel up here. We're going to disconnect the wiring harness. All you have to do is press the locking tab, and then you can pull the wiring harness off. Once you have it off, we're going to take our Phillips screwdriver and remove the screw that holds it in. Once you have the screw out, we're going to slide it over so this tab releases, and then we're going to rotate it over so we can disconnect the rubber pressure hose. All you have to do is compress this clamp and slide it down, and then we're going to carefully pull the hose off the fitting. If you have to, you can use a small flathead screwdriver to help you take it off. Once you have the hose off, we can pull it out of the washer. Here's the old water level pressure switch next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. In order to put the new water level pressure switch in, we're going to connect the hose to the fitting on the switch. Just want to make sure you push it all the way on. And then we can move the clamp up to make sure we get a good seal. Once you have that in place, we can rotate it over and put the tab in and then slide it over to lock it in place. Then we can grab our Phillips screwdriver and put the screw in. Now that we have the screw in, we can reattach the wiring harness. All you have to do is line it up and push it in so it locks into the switch. Once you have it in place, we can put the top back on the washer. When you're putting the top on, you want to make sure you set it back far enough so that this little cutout goes onto the post, and then we can push it forward and lock it into place. So all you have to do is set it down far enough, and then you may have to press down on each side to make sure those engage, and then press it all the way in so the front goes into the control panel. Once you have it in place, we can use our Phillips screwdriver to put the screws in to hold the top down. Now that we have the washer put back together, we can plug it back in and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.